Solve for x in the exponential equation. Step 1. Write down the equation. Step 2. Factor out the smaller power. Notice 3 to the x minus 1 is common, because 3 to the x plus 1 equals 3 to the left parenthesis x minus 1 right parenthesis plus 2. So 3 to the x plus 1 equals 3 to the x minus 1 times 3 squared. Factor 3 to the x minus 1 from both terms. Step 3. Simplify inside the parentheses. 1 plus 3 squared equals 10. So the equation becomes 10 times 3 to the x minus 1 equals 90. Step 4. Isolate the power. Divide both sides by 10 to get 3 to the x minus 1 equals 9. Step 5. Match bases. 9 is 3 squared. With the same base, exponents must be equal. Step 6. Solve the linear equation. Add 1 to both sides to get x equals 3. Step 7. Quick check. Plug x equals 3 into the left side. 3 to the 3 minus 1 plus 3 to the 3 plus 1. That is 9 plus 81, which equals 90. The equation balances, so our answer is correct. Final answer, x equals 3. Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on Myverse Maths.